Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be continuing on with our C# programming tutorial series, and in this particular tutorial we are going to be taking a look at how we can use generics in C#. Now in this particular video we're not going to be doing any coding, we're just going to be doing some talking about generics. We're going to kind of introduce the subject. And then after this, we're going to do some practical examples, as well as showing you some of the some generic classes and stuff, as well as generic interfaces that are built into .NET. All right, so let's get started, and let's talk about what exactly generics are. Well, generics is a powerful concept built into C# and many other languages like Java or Swift and various other languages that allows you to specify classes and methods that can use many types without sacrificing type safety. Now, one thing you need to remember about generics is that generics, while they allow you to write code that works with many types without sacrificing that type safety, it should not be used as some kind of shortcut around using data types altogether, because that's not what generics are intended for. Okay? Generics just allow you to specify a blueprint that can be customized for multiple types at a later point. And this blueprint will enforce type safety. All right. So, what are some ways that you should use generics? Well, generics should only be used when the benefits of reusability and type safety outweigh the initial learning curve. Because generics, while they are a powerful tool and are very useful, they can, if used improperly, make your code a lot less readable. It can make it a lot harder to learn and understand at a glance. So only use them when the learning curve and the convenience of reusability outweighs that initial learning curve. All right. A good example of using generics in a method would be a method in a collection for swapping one element for another, right? So let's say we have a list of integers. You know how we have our list with int inside of the angle brackets, that kind of thing? Well, that is using generics, and if we have a swap method for that takes in two generic types, we can swap those two values with each other, right? And because that works across data types, that is the perfect that is the perfect way to use generics. However, if you are using, say, a very specific object throughout your code all the time, and nothing else in particular, using a generic approach would be a bit overkill and would not be recommended. Right? It would just it would add a lot more complexity, and it would just make things a little bit harder on you. So that's generics in C#, kind of what they are, when you should use them, why you should use them, and when you shouldn't use them. So thank you all so very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.